Good evening. So this is our topic for week 7. Review of related literature. So let's now see what is the review of related literature. Review of related literature and studies is a scientific compilation of all significant articles and studies that are highly relevant in a specific research content. Review of related literature and studies, or relevant review of the literature, is a concise, objective summary of published research on a specific topic, discussing knowledge, findings, conflicts, gaps, and strategies to address them in the study. Review of related literature and studies and synthesis must consider the following characteristic: logical or rational, contextual and realistic, consistency of idea, insightful, and informative. Steps in reviewing literature and studies. Find relevant materials. Researchers should be selective and wise in determining a relevant research material. Here are some references or materials. It must be related with a research problem, scientific and accurate, informative, complete with correct citation and referential information. The next step is read the reference comprehensively. In reading a reference, there should be note cards in which relevant information is written and as consider the outline of the cited article. Next one is paraphrase the ideas of the research article. Always remember that in paraphrasing an article, proper restatement should be followed. Put proper citation in APA format. Citation can be a form of standard citation and in-text citation. So, the standard citation has this format: author, date of publication, and proceed to the paraphrase article. The in-text citation has this format: paraphrase article, author, date of publication. Always follow the format for printed sources and online sources. Explain each cited article. Provide a general synthesis. State a general theory that had been reflected in all accounted and reviewed articles. So there are four main components in constructing an RRL: introduction, citation, analysis, and synthesis. Introduction is the one that describes the general importance of all represented research in article. Citation is a systematic way of crediting a work and must consider a standardized format. Analysis deals with the assertion and explanation of the researchers regarding the cited materials. It can affirm or negate the content of the materials, but it should be properly justified. Synthesis: give the similarities and differences of all cited articles. So here are some samples of an actual RRL. You can check it in our Google Classroom for detailed examples. So here are some additionals from module. Actual reading has 4 types. The first one is elementary reading. The most basic because it only involves the recognizing letters, numbers, sounds, and the literal meaning of the sentence. Second one is systematic skimming. This is the practice of quickly gleaning information from a reference. This type of reading is useful for fast identification of relevant information from references. Next one is analytic reading. This is the type of reading where the researcher asks questions about the articles and properly analyzes it. Next one is comparative reading. It compares one reference to another. Through this comparison, the researcher becomes able to determine the similarities and differences. So here are some note-taking techniques. And that is the end of our lesson of week 7. Thank you.